Right. It's a question of CAT 2019 slot 1. Ramesh and Gautam are among 22 students who write an examination. Ramesh scores how much? 82.5. Fine. The average score of the 21 students other than Gautam is 62. That means if we include Gautam, the average score will become how much? 21. Of the remaining 21 students becomes what? 62. So can we say the total score must be equal to average of 21 students is 62 plus Gautam's score. This should be the total score. But the next line says that the average score of all the 24 students, that means when you include each and every one, is one more than the average score of the 21 students other than Ramesh. Let's try to read it in the reverse order. That means if you exclude Ramesh out of the total group, then the average is going to decrease by what? One. Because the average of the whole class was one more than the average score of the 21 students other than Ramesh. So if the Ramesh leaves the group, then the average is going to decrease by what? One. That means there'll be a loss of 1 mark to each and every student of the remaining 21 students. So can we say Ramesh's score should be more than average? Let's say the average is n. That means Ramesh must have scored how much? Or maybe I'll say total score. Ramesh must have scored 21 marks more than the average. Let's say the average score is n. So Ramesh must have scored n plus 21 marks. That's why after his leaving, the average score drops by 21. I don't know the score of total score of these n. I don't know the value of n here. What's the score obtained by Ramesh? It's 82.5. So n plus 1 n plus 21 will give you 82.5. So what's the value of n? We get 61.5 marks. So the average score of those 21 students, or maybe the average score of all the students, will be 61.5. What is n here? The average score of all the 21 students. Since Ramesh leaves the group and the average decreases by 1, that's why I'm saying that Ramesh must have scored 21 runs more than the average of the whole group. I got n equal to 61.5. So can we say the total score of all the 21 students should be 61.5 into 22? Yes or no? 61.5 into 22. When you multiply it, you get 1353. Now there's a total score and I'm looking for the Gotham score. Let's try to use this part now. Total score is 1353 is equal to 21 into 62. This comes out to be 1302 plus Gotham score. So Gotham score will become 1353 minus 1302, which is equal to 51. So the score of the Gotham must be what? 51 notes.